Welcome to Wild Sourdough. I'm your host, Papa Zaw from Weird Wild Pizza. Here we make awesome recipes from sourdough starter. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell. 5 cheese sourdough pizza rolls. Parmesan petals, mozzarella, gouda, Emmentaler, cheddar, tomato sauce, 2 cups of sourdough starter, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of flour, adding a third at a time until firm but still a little sticky. Mix well. Knead for 30 seconds. Cover and rest 1 hour. Flour. Flour lightly is needed. Roll dough into rectangle about 1/4 inch thick. Tomato sauce. Parmesan. Mozzarella. Gouda, Emmentaler, cheddar. Roll it up. Cut into 12 pieces. Oil muffin pan. Add rolls to said muffin pan. Bake at 420 degrees Fahrenheit for 18 to 22 minutes. Carefully cut around the rolls with a butter knife to remove. Five cheese sourdough pizza rolls. Those cheeses really work well together. They are quite delicious, cheesy, a little greasy. But very good. Thanks for watching Wild Sourdough. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more.